Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating brand new, modern, minimalist townhouse. Lipat agad dito sa Las Piñas. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Nasa loob ng gated community at malapit sa River Drive. Kaya naman very accessible ito to Manila, Airport, Cavite at Alabang. Available through cash and bank financing for as low as 10% down payment. Siguradong magugustuhan ng family mo ito dahil napakaganda at napakaaliwalas ng ating minimalist house. Available na nga ito mga buddy upon turnover at gamit na lang ang dadali ninyo dahil as is na po ito mga buddy at may water and electricity na. Nakalibre pa tayo sa electric perimeter fence dito sa ating service area dahil ang likod ng ating property ay amenities sa isang subdivision. Total of 4 bedrooms sa may magandang ventilation at 3 toilet and bath. We also have affordable houses sa Cavite for as low as 1.4 million. Isa na nga ito mga buddy sa pinaka-affordable na property sa Las Piñas. Total selling price is 8.2 million, 10% down payment, and estimated monthly amortization via bank financing is 57,217. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, don't forget to like, share, follow, and send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!